Hey everybody, I'm Travi-O, and today I think that we should learn how to draw a fish, a frog, and a turtle. First, let's start off by drawing a turtle. Can you spell turtle with me? T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle. Alrighty, first thing we'll draw is his shell. We'll just do one big oval. Okay, now we'll give him a head. Now we'll give him his 4 legs and a tail. Alright, let's go ahead and fill in his shell. I like to do an inner oval inside of the big one. And then I start off by drawing an octagon in the middle. And an octagon is a shape with 8 sides. And then I draw a line from each one of the 8 points to the edge of the shell. Alrighty, now that we have his shell filled in, let's give him a face. His 2 eyes. And let's give him some pupils. And we gotta give him a little smile. And 2 little dots for his nose. And yay! Look at that! That's a good looking simple turtle. Now let's color him in. Okay, let's start off by coloring his shell. I've seen a lot of turtles with a brown shell. Can you spell brown with me? B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Let's go ahead and start coloring it in. Okay, now that we have his shell colored in, let's go ahead and color in his legs and his tail. I've seen a lot of turtles that have legs that are green. Can you spell green for me? G-R-E-E-N. Green. Okay, let's go ahead and color in its legs. And last, let's go ahead and color in its head. Now look at that wonderful turtle we colored in. Good job, everybody. Yay! Next, I think we ought to draw a fish. Can you spell fish with me? F-I-S-H. Fish. Alright, let's get started. To start, let's draw a long oval body for our fish. And then we'll draw a semicircle for a tail. Now we can give him a fin on his back. And we'll give him a little fin here on his side. And let's give him an eye. And a pupil. And a big fish mouth. Alright, now we got our basic fish drawn. We can draw some lines here in his fin, add in some details. And some lines on his back fin. And if you like to, you can add some scales all down his body by making little C's. Let's not forget to give him lines on the side fin. And now look at that! Isn't that a cool looking fish? Next, let's go ahead and color him in. Why don't we color our fish blue? Can you spell blue with me? B-L-U-E. Blue. Okay, why don't we color in his fins yellow? Can you spell yellow with me? Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Now that's a good looking simple fish. Good job everyone! Yay! Alright, next I think we ought to draw a frog. Can you spell frog with me? F-R-O-G. Frog. Alright, let's start off by giving him a circle for his head. Then we're going to give him another circle for his body, but we're going to stop before we get to the bottom so we can draw his legs first. Okay, now let's draw his front legs. And give him little toes on his feet here. And now his other front leg. And now we'll go ahead and complete the circle to make his body. And now we've got his head, his body, and his front legs. Let's go ahead and do his back legs. I like to do a real big swoop, and then draw his toes for his foot. And then connect it to his body. And now another big swoop for his other leg. And same thing with the feet. Alright, now we've got his head, his body, his front legs, and his back legs. Now let's go ahead and give the frog a face. Alright, let's put one eye here and the other eye here. And let's go ahead and give him some pupils. Now let's give him a big smile going all the way across his face. And 2 little dots for his nose. And look at that, we've drawn a simple frog. Let's go ahead and color the frog in. Now I've seen a whole bunch of frogs that are green. Can you spell green for me? G-R-E-E-N. Green. Alright, let's go ahead and start coloring him in green. Okay, now that we have his body and his front legs colored in, let's go ahead and color in his back legs. Now that we have his legs and his body colored in, let's go ahead and color in his face. Now that's a good looking simple frog. Good job everybody. Yay! Well, I hope y'all enjoyed learning to draw a fish, a frog, and a turtle with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more from Travi-O, hit subscribe down below. Well, until next time, goodbye everybody. Goodbye.